Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today I'm in the kitchen getting creative with my cauliflower. I just really been feeling cauliflower lately, so I was trying to see what else I could do with it, and it led me to today's recipe, which is a cauliflower soup. And you guys, if you've been watching, you know that I have brought soups on the channel before and they all hit, okay? And this one is no different. So if you want a smooth, creamy, but no dairy cauliflower soup, just keep watching because I got you, okay? But before you go, you already know, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're gonna do is in a large skillet, add a little oil and your one large chopped up onion so that can start to saute. You know, there's gonna be a little bit of minced garlic going in as well. Give everything a thorough mix before adding in your carrots. So this was 2 large carrots that I peeled and cut. Now I'm gonna go in with some flavor. So I'm using a no chicken base, but it gives a really nice flavor to the soup. So I'm using about a tablespoon, and feel free to use a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on how flavorful you'd like your soup. Now I'm going in with my cauliflower. This is an entire head that I chopped up, so roughly 4 cups or so. And then we've got our seasonings, thyme and a little rosemary, a little crushed red pepper. Off camera, I went ahead and added in my vegetarian stock. And then you're also gonna add a little salt and pepper to taste. So now that we've got all of our seasonings in there, give everything another good mix before popping the lid on to let it do its thing. And the idea here is to let your vegetables get nice and tender, just like my carrot there. Now it's time to transfer into a blender. Shout out to my mom for letting me use her Vitamix to get that nice, rich, and smooth consistency that we want for our soup. So you go ahead and pulse it, let it do its thing, and I will show you just how wonderfully smooth this is. As you can see it there coming out of the blender. And now I just transferred it into a bowl, sprinkled some fresh herbs on top, and it was ready to serve. I thought it was delicious, but let me know what you think in the comment section below.